Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our A3 2-litre TDI Saloon. So as you can see, this one's finished in white. It's the sport model. So really clean car for the age and mileage. It's come from one of our customers who's really quite particular with his cars. So as always with all our videos, we'll put the history, spec, etc. on the advert. But I know in the last couple of thousand miles, he's spent just around £2,000, I think, on cambelt, water pump, brakes. He's got new tyres all around. And as the video shows, it really is a clean and straight car. No scuffs in any of the corners or anything like that. So these are the cheap road tax models as well. And it's the 2-litre, which in my opinion is a much better engine than the 1.6. I think they're more economical and I think they're a bit more reliable as well. So good spec with it. And it's done 127,749 now. Interior's all clean and tidy. No major marks, anything like that. So as always with all our cars, they're all HPI motorcheck clear with the report. It's got service history with it, it's got 2 sets of keys, it'll have 12 months MOT, we can offer part exchange, they're all supplied with a warranty, which you've got the option to extend as well, and we can arrange finance. We do viewing by appointment only, and this is just so you don't have a wasted trip and set off for a car that's already been sold or has been reserved. We can also reserve any vehicle with a small reservation fee as well. Any questions? If you'd like to arrange a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.